My apologies.
Apologies, miss.
My apologies to all.
My apologies for not being able to offer you a cabin.
My apologies that this episode is coming late.
My apologies.
My apologies for the joke. I couldn't help it.
Please accept my apologies on behalf of this court.
We've been here for some time.
My apologies.
I have come to make my apologies, my lord, and to beg your forgiveness.
You're too late.
My apologies.
My apologies. I was dealing with an uninvited guest.
This is not some circus sideshow.
My apologies, of course.
My apologies, Doctor, but we both knew Hydra could grow no further in Hitler's shadow.
Hello. I'd like to extend my apology for my conduct of last night.
You've already been to the interview?
Sure, I just got back.
Well. All my apologies.
Oh, hey, it's the real me!
Ralph?
My apologies.